Hello and welcome to my first computer craft tutorial for the Big mod pack. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to print things to the screen, and the end program should look just like this. Okay, so let's move over to this one, and to create a new program all you have to do is put an edit and then the name of whatever program you want it to be. In this case, let's just put in the basic hello world stuff that's used in most languages. So, first thing we're going to learn is how to slowly print the strings, just character by character. We'll do it nice and slow and print each character individually. So to do that, just put in text utils text utilities, and then .slow and print with a capital P there. Programs are very case sensitive. Next, you just put a parentheses and a double quote and whatever you want to put in here, as long as it doesn't exceed, I believe, 225 characters is the maximum amount you can have in a string. String is just these basic characters, and they won't have any numerical value, so you can't like put in one and then try to add it to something else. It just won't work that way. So let's save it and then exit your program, and just to execute it, just type in the name, and there we go. It just slowly printed the words hello world. Next, just to get back into it, just type in hello, edit your program name, and then it'll put you up over here back to your program. The next one we're going to learn is the print function, which it'll immediately type in everything instead of just one character at a time. And you just do it just like you would for the previous one. Put the parentheses and double quotes around your stuff, and it should print it to the screen nice and easy. So let's try that again. And so it'll still run the codes will run from top to bottom, but not simultaneously. That's important to know. So the print automatically just puts it on there. And then the third and final one is write. Let me just get back in here. So the difference, write is almost exactly like print, but the difference is that print will automatically move you down to the next line. Right. With write, it'll just put it down and it won't move you to the next line to type in. So if we just leave it like this and run it, you'll notice the command prompt is to the side of the final hello world, because normally you would have to move it down a line first. Now, if you want to use write and not have to just do an empty print to move it down a line, then there's a little something you can add in here, just a simple \n. And let's just put it right here. So make sure it's in the double quotes, otherwise it won't work, and that will move you down the next line. So save it and exit again, then just put it in again, and see, it's now moved it down to the next line, so that /n will move you down to the next line in write. So there we go. That's just the basic hello world and putting things up on the screen. You can also do this with numbers such as put in 1, but you can't use double quotes if you want to keep it a number. Though you can use double quotes and still display a number. Thank you.